Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to make a overview of a company called Sugar Made. Okay, and this stock ticker symbol is SGMD. This was a request by one of the viewers that asked me to make a video on it. I've never heard of the company personally, so I enjoy doing these types of things when people say, "Hey, coach, have you heard about this?" Sometimes I haven't. So I'd love to dive into these companies, check them out, because it's always nice to have other leads on other type of companies and things like that. And it's always nice to learn something new. So if you guys have any stocks that you want me to cover or want me to kind of do some type of research on, feel free to comment below. Let me know which one that you would like me to dig into, or if you enjoy our content on current stocks that we cover, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know whenever we release new content, guys. Other than that, let's dive right on into it. Okay, guys, Sugar Made, ticker symbol SGMD. They are trading on the over-the-counter market. It is a penny stock and trading at extremely low levels at this time, as you'll see here in a minute. But I want to go through their website, talk a little bit about what they do, give you some information off of Yahoo Finance, break down who holds some of the positions in the companies, talk about insider trading and institutional holdings. We'll break down the charts, and then I'll let you know if I'm actually going to buy this stock or not. So, Sugar Made, it says what's now for customers is what's next for us. So I'm going to link this in the description below this link if you want to go through and check their website out. Pretty easy to remember, sugarmade.com. Okay. It says our philosophy. We believe in the combined power of empathy, analytics, and creativity. In an age of unprecedented abundance of variety and speed of innovation, customer expectations are moving faster than businesses. While incremental change is still essential, it's no longer sufficient. It takes bold moves to leap ahead of customers and competitors. We call them iconic moves. Our always-on operating system is designed for a new era in business. By turning customers into active participants, we help our businesses strengthen their brands on an ongoing basis. Our approach gives them the confidence to make iconic moves that spark desire and creativity, create utility, driving extraordinary results. Okay, cool. That's a cool philosophy. So we're going to kind of go down here. They talk a little bit about their approach. This is rethinking metrics, roadmaps, enriching customer experiences, launch new offers, mobilizing talent. And then I want to just kind of go down here. You can read all this, guys, when you check out the link in the description below. I'm just going to talk about some things that are happening within the company currently at this time, okay? And we'll go through an overview of the company here in a second fully. So they've made some acquisitions recently, and this is one of them now. Highest Valley Farm, it's a wholly owned subsidiary. It's a pending acquisition, and basically it's located at the elevation of 3,200 square feet in Northern California with stunning views of the Clear Lake. It's 640 acres of rich farmland, ideal to yield some of the highest potency cannabis flowers. With a canopy square footage of 32 acres, it can yield approximately 64 tons of dried trim flowers per year at full production. This would make Highest Valley Farm one of the largest outdoor cannabis farms in California, and they're pending acquisition to scoop this up. That's awesome. So this company has several acquisitions, kind of similar to what you'd see, like how like IDEX goes and buys up these companies, S&PW, and all. You kind of see that a little bit more often, how these companies are buying up certain businesses and either owning a certain amount of percentage of that company or owning the whole thing outright. This is another one that they've had an acquisition of. They have 70% ownership, Nug Avenue, and basically it's a cannabis delivery service based in Southern California, and it gives you a little bit of information about them. Easy, convenient online and mobile ordering. So basically you can order cannabis products and have them delivered to you. They have exclusive products, rapid growth and expansion, experienced management team, in-house testified and verified potency and quality, and in-house tech team developing next generation cannabis delivery experience. Another one here is Bud Cars. This is a premier Sugar Made investment. Bud Cars is an online shopping experience that is designed to provide new customers with an easy way to discover and order cannabis products within minutes. Okay, so it's an online cannabis ordering services. So these are 3 subsidiaries of SugarMade. So let's kind of dive in a little bit more into exactly what SugarMade does as a whole. Then we'll talk about the insider trading. We'll talk about the institutional holdings. Then we'll get into the charts after that. Okay, so SugarMade Inc. engages in the paper and paper-based products business. The company operates through 3 segments: paper and paper-based products, non-medical supplies, and cannabis product delivery service and sales, as you saw in their acquisitions a couple of minutes ago. It supplies products to quick service restaurants as well as imports, distributes hydroponic supplies to various agricultural sectors. The company also produces and wholesales custom printed and generic supplies such as double poly paper cups for cold beverage and disposable and plastic cold cups and paper coffee cups, yogurt cups, ice cream cups, cup lids, cup sleeves, edible packaging, food containers, soup containers, plastic spoons, and other related products. In addition, it offers non-medical personal protective equipment and non-medical facial masks. Furthermore, the company operates the cannabis products delivery and sales services under the Bud Cars name. It also offers its products through carryoutsupplies.com website. SugarMade Inc. was founded in 2009 and is based in Monrovia, California. Okay, so a little bit more insight about what they do. They don't just buy up other companies. They're actually in the paper-based product business, so other sources of revenue coming in as a whole as opposed to buying up other companies. So let's go and look at some other information about this company. So we'll look at, I want to show you the holders of this company. We'll look at inside holders. Executive officer holds over 25 million shares of the company currently, and you can kind of go through and look on here. This is actually through Yahoo Finance, so anybody can kind of have access to this, so you can look at that. So I want to also show you the institutional holding. So as of now, there's just one company that they show that holds shares, currently 350,000 shares of it, and it's Tradition Wealth Management. I looked them up. It looks like they're a financial service company based out of Minnesota. I also did a little research on if they've ever done any type of splits or reverse splits. It looks like they did do a reverse split in 2008, and I'm not sure. I think they actually talked about doing one last year as well and held off on it. So that's something to kind of keep in mind as well. If you don't understand a reverse split, basically they reduce the number of shares outstanding for the company in order to raise the price. So it's not going to affect your overall value of the company that you hold. However, it's going to affect your number of shares that you hold. It'll jump the price up, but your number of shares will be less. But this turns off investors a ton, so it actually could decrease your value in the long run, and it gives the stock more room for downside if it increases the price. So let's take a look at the charts, guys, and see what they're telling us, and then I'll let you know what my plans are, if I plan to buy this stock or not. Okay, guys, so here is the 184-hour chart. As you see, we're almost at zero at one point here, and we shot up all the way to 2. Doesn't seem like a whole lot, but you could have made a whole lot of money because that's a very, very high percentage. Okay, so as you see, anytime we go straight up, we touch that fib level and we pulled all the way back down to where we're almost back exactly where it started. Okay, so it has a lot of room to run if it does get some more traction. So I was just doing some math there earlier. So let me just show you here, if you wanted to buy this stock and you're like really kind of nervous, it can be like one of those home run plays. Like, you know what, I'm going to throw 30 bucks in, and at these prices here, I'm going to have 10,000 shares, and then who knows, maybe it pops up one day to 50 cents or $1. Let's say it hits one day 50 cents. You just earned $5,000 on a $30 investment. So that's pretty cool. So at this time, I won't be buying, but you never know. Down the road, I may throw 20 or 30 bucks at it and just hold on to it and just kind of see what happens down the road. Wake up one day, check my TD Ameritrade account, and have a few $1,000s. That would be cool. So I want to give a big shout out to our the comment that we had and our follower who asked for this stock. And like I said, guys, make sure that you comment below if you want me to cover any other stocks, and like the video if you enjoyed the content and you learned something new today. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.